Marhaba, good day to my future employer. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jenna Lindigo, came from the Philippines. I'm 41 years old, married with one son. He is now 22 years old. My educational background is college level. I took diploma in tourism management. I have work experience as nanny/domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family. One grandmother, one couple with 2 kids, age of 5 years old and 2 years old. My main duties is to taking care of the kids, preparing their meals, giving them a bath, changing the clothes, changing the diaper, sending him in the school and picking up. I teach them also how to identify the numbers, shape, colors, letters, animals, and sometimes dancing. I teach them also how to be kind and respectful to others. I'm a hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, fast learner. I can work independently. I am very much willing to learn. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. I promise that I will do my best every single day. And also, I promise that I will love and take good care of your kids as my own. Thank you and have a nice day!